Ready to level up your GitHub game and effortlessly combine your hard work? Let's dive into how to merge files on GitHub, a vital skill for any collaborative coding project. First things first, you've likely got two branches: your main branch, known as the master or main branch, and another branch where you've been making your changes. Remember, all good development starts in a branch designed to hold changes separate from the main code. Now, head to your GitHub repository and locate the pull requests tab. Then click new pull request. It will give you a space to compare two branches. Select your development branch as the compare branch, and the main branch, or where you wish to merge your changes to, in our case, to base branch. Then press the compare branches for something button. GitHub will now show you a pull request overview. Here you can see all the changes you're about to merge. This is crucial. Carefully review the changes. GitHub highlights the modifications, allows you to see which files are affected. If everything looks good, you're ready to merge your destination branch. Now, on the right side, you should see a big green button often labeled with merge pull request, or squash and merge, or other variations. Click merge, then confirm. This starts the merge process, integrating your branch's code into the main branch. If conflicts come after the click but not now, which means that two branches contain changes to the same lines of code, you'll see a notification. Select resolve conflicts to manually resolve them, or the right method to resolve the merge conflict. Once that's complete, expect to celebrate. Congratulations, you've successfully merged your files. The changes from your branch are now part of the main branch. Now, to keep things tidy, you may want to delete the branch you just merged. You'll want to start it over, and there you have it. Merging files on GitHub, made simple so team members can stay organized throughout development. Remember to practice these steps, and happy coding.